This is the first of 5 examples, which are just a revision of basic differentiation. If y is equal to ax to the n, dy dx is nax to the n minus 1, so the power is reduced by 1. If we consider these examples, y is 2x cubed, we can differentiate this, and dy dx becomes, the power of 3 drops down in front, just like this. So we get 3 times 2x with the power reduced by 1. 3 2's are 6, so we get 6x squared. When we have an expression like this, we just differentiate each term in turn. So for the x cubed, the 3 drops down in front, and the power is reduced by 1. For the minus 3x squared, we've got the minus, the power of 2 drops down in front, and multiplies 3x with the power reduced by 1. For minus 2x, we should remember the power of x is 1. This drops down in front and multiplies 2x to the power 0, again reducing the power by 1. 4 is 4x to the 0, since we know that x to the power 0 is 1. The power drops down in front and multiplies 4x with the power reduced by 1. And of course 0 times anything is 0, so this disappears. Tidying, we have 3x squared minus 6x, take away 2, since it's 1 times 2 times x to the 0, which is 1. And note here, of course, that a 2x term has become a constant of 2, and that a constant term always disappears.